In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an automatic reply in Microsoft Outlook. If you're heading out of the office, traveling, or simply won't be checking email for a while, an automatic reply is a simple way to let people know you're unavailable and when they can expect to hear back from you. We'll do this using Outlook in your web browser. Open your preferred browser and go to the Outlook website, or select it from your bookmarks. Once your inbox loads, look toward the top right corner of the page and click the Settings gear icon. This opens a panel on the right side of the screen. At the top of that panel, you'll see a search bar. Click inside the search field and type Automatic Replies. Outlook will filter the options for you. When you see Automatic Replies appear, select it to open the setup page. On the Automatic Replies page, turn on Automatic Replies using the toggle switch. As soon as it's enabled, you'll see options you can customize so the feature works exactly the way you need. If you already know the dates you'll be away, set a start date and an end date. This ensures your message turns on and off automatically, so you don't have to remember to come back and disable it. If you're not sure how long you'll be out, you can leave the dates off and simply return to this setting later to turn it off manually. Next, write your message in the text box. Aim for a clear, professional tone. Let senders know that you're currently unavailable, share the date you'll be back, or when they can expect a response, and mention your typical response time once you return. Keep it concise and polite, and avoid including any personal or sensitive information. If you normally use an email signature, you can include a brief sign-off to keep things consistent. Before you finish, take a moment to review everything. Double-check the dates if you set them. Make sure your message says exactly what you want, and confirm that the toggle is on. When you're satisfied, click Save to apply your changes. That's it. Your automatic reply is now active based on the settings you selected. From now on, anyone who emails you during that time will receive your message, helping set clear expectations while you're away from your inbox. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you need to make changes later or disable the feature, just return to the same settings area and update your message or turn the toggle off.